Welcome back, children, to lesson number 8 of your EVS subject Science of Kitchen. Up till now, we have covered methods of cooking and components of food in this chapter. Children, in my last video, we learned that Mahesh was having stomach pain because he had eaten more of spicy and fried food. Now, today, again take out page number 64 and start reading with me. There is girl named Varsha. She studies in standard 5. She loves eating outside food. Every day she eats uncovered and stale food from vendors. Varsha does this daily. Varsha does not like eating at home. Every day Varsha goes to hotels, restaurants and vendors. She eats whatever she likes. So children, here again there is one girl whose name is Varsha and she is studying in 5, that is standard 5. That means she is very small and she loves to eat outside food. That means whatever her mother cooks for her, she doesn't like. She always want to eat outside. Every day she eats uncovered and stale food from vendors. Children, do you know who are vendors? Yes, vendors prepare and sell ready to eat food to the public. You might have seen in your area some vendors like pani puri wala, samosas, then pav bhaji, Chinese. All these are vendors. These vendors sometimes do not cover the food. This uncovered food holds a lot of harmful bacteria which may cause various harmful diseases to our body. Now you will be thinking that from where this harmful bacteria is coming? Yes, when the food is not covered, the harmful bacteria enters our food through air, because lot of harmful bacteria is present in the air too. That is why this uncovered food also consists of bacteria. Children, in your home also, whenever you are cooking food or whenever your food is cooked, always it should be covered. Children, once in a month eating outside food is okay, but if you are eating it daily, it is very harmful to your body. And whenever you are eating outside, you should see that all the food is covered or not. Every day going to hotels or restaurants is not good for your health. If you want to eat some varieties, your mother will cook for you, you should enjoy that, but you should not eat daily outside. And now in this pandemic, you should never go outside to eat food because it is very risky. Now there are 3 questions based on this story. The first question is, what different food items she must be eating from the vendor? So children, as I told you, vendor has pani puri, pav bhaji, Chinese, then vada pav. So same way, Varsha will also be eating all these things from the vendor. So children, Varsha must be eating pani puri, bhel, ragda patties, Chinese, kachori, samosas, etc. from the vendor. Now, why does Varsha eat stale and outside food? Yes, because she doesn't like homemade food. She doesn't like the food prepared by her mother. Her favorite food might not be prepared by her mother at home. That is why she might be eating outside. Varsha must be getting more pocket money from the home. Yes, children, those who are getting more pocket money from home, they also eat from outside. They don't care about the money, but they eat outside. Now, the last question is, what would happen to Varsha after eating outside food? So children, see, when you are eating outside food, there is lot of bacteria in the environment, in the air, and these bacteria goes into the uncovered food and then they cause harmful diseases. So what will happen if Varsha is eating outside food daily? Varsha would fall ill. She would suffer from loose motions or vomiting. She would suffer from stomach ache. She would suffer from acidity because outside food is very injurious to our health. She would suffer from constipation or other intestine related problems. So children, you can imagine that if you are eating daily outside food, it can be harmful to your body. Now children, on the same page, page number 64, again read with me. What would have happened to Varsha? We have learned that why this has happened. Stale, fried and spicy food is harmful for our body. We may have to face minor major diseases. Health is directly related to healthy food. So children, we have learned in third question that if Varsha is eating daily outside food, what would have happened to her? She would be suffering from vomiting, nausea, stomach ache, loose motions or other intestinal problems. In case of Mahesh also we learned that fried and spicy food is injurious to health. In the same way, stale food is also harmful to our body. We may face problems like diarrhea, food poisoning also. So children, now we can conclude that healthy food is best for our body. That means healthy food is best for our good health. You eat varieties of food. There are various methods to prepare this food. Let us collect information regarding it. Children, you eat foods like pav bhaji, then khichdi, then bhakri, Chinese, etc. These all food items are prepared by different methods of cooking. Now children, on page number 65, we have one table in which you have to write the details of food. Here given are names of various food items and you have to say how they are being cooked or how your mother is preparing these food. First one you can see it is khichdi, and khichdi is prepared by boiling method. Second one is rotlo or rotli. This is prepared by roasting method directly on the flame. Then puri. Puri is deep fried. Children, you can include some more items which your mother is preparing. For example, cutlet. Yes, cutlet is prepared by shallow frying method, or you can deep fry also, but many people prefer shallow frying. Then khamman, dhokla, handwo, these are prepared by steaming method. Here you can add food items of your choice. So children, this was for all today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye bye.